Another farm day, guys. Yeah, man. Fergie Republic represented, you know? We have one bird. So today we have dropped some fruits in our ground. Yeah, so far. Gone one cherry. Love refreshing drinks, so we have a plant. Civil orange as well. Yeah, man. Civil orange. Yeah. Bird, I make a hole for that one there. Over here, so now we have the mommy apple. Yeah, man. Drop that in our ground. We have another cherry tree over here, so. Over here, so. Yeah, so we are going with that thing. The other day we forward when we plant what? About 17? Yeah, 17 other fruit trees. I remember the list. But in the list we have strawberry guava, a chacharoo, loquat, kumquat, star fruit. So get some rain last night. I gotta check on them. Yes. Well, I can see a bud come right there, so a little bud upon it. So that means it's not gone to the dogs. Means I'm forward. And I start a fruit farm. Yeah, man. I think this is the loquat. If I'm right. Fruits everywhere, man. I have a guava tree already. Big guava tree. We have coconut. We have Jamaican apple. So just I put in the exotics, you know. I don't know if I did a chacharoo this, but I think I eat a chacharoo because I eat have the mango shaped leaf. Why is left out there? Have a mountain sap. And something else over here, so I don't remember where it be, but these are all exotics. Yeah. That are grown here in Jamaica. You just have to know where to find them. This I think is another chacharoo. Have a June plum. Dwarf June plum. One more there, so. And everything looks alright so far. Thing look good. Especially when you get the little rain. I drop one over here, so him look good. Everything look good. Everything look good. Everything look bubbly. Two mango them I go which part them can get more sunlight. So plant them close to where the cabbage. So plant them right along the edge of the cabbage bed. Give them space. You know, so a mango tree them. Yeah, this is coming along good. One bud on top. Looking good, looking great. So we have to start the Fergie estate, you know? So Scalia dropping some more trees at the moment. I'm gonna do a mango tree now. A mango tree and what left there? Two mango and what else there? I think of the pink. I think of the pink sitting there that. pink sweet sap, purple sweet sap. Purple sweet sap there and a star fruit there, one other star fruit there. And the naseberry. So yeah, more than 4 you have left, man. See, I have a naseberry around there, so 2-star fruit. Not 2-star fruit. Well, a 2-star fruit in my pan. And just plant them one place. So it's just another day upon it, you know? Just remember to like, share, subscribe. Yeah, man. Help us get to the next level. At the moment, it's just open land. Yeah, we're doing cleanup, planting some fruit trees. Yeah, man. Next move is to establish HQ. I'm not sure if I want to be on that hill or this hill. When you're on this hill, you can look and see everything. But also from that hill, you can look and see everything. But we enter from that side. So, it would have best the house facing that way. So this would have been the, not the house, the camp, the base, HQ, headquarters. The best we facing that way. But yeah, got a few future right now. Huh? Yeah, man. Few moment now. We just are going to focus on the fruit trees since we have some rain, springtime rain. So getting some fruits in our ground. Yeah, so as I said before, we have other fruit trees. I have a big mango tree there, which I'm not sure if it's going to bear. I think it's not in the right location. That's why I told them to put the others further out, but then can get more sun. Or maybe it's just a male mango tree. It's just here for blossom, which is good. Wouldn't even think about cutting it down if it turns out to be a male mango tree, because it will always blossom, attract the bees do the pollination, and so on and so forth, which we're going to need whole heap of that. As you can see, we have the flatlands where we're going to put in different fruits as well as some vegetables. Screen's a bit dark. It's because it's overcast today, which is why we're here planting fruit trees. So just bear with me. So as I did say, we have a cherry tree here. What was it again? Syrian cherry or something like so. Yeah, but you can tell. I don't know if you can see, but it's shaped a bit different. There's the young one on the tree there. Come on. Over here, so we have the apple. Jamaican apple. Jamaican how to eat the apple. I hope I pronounce that right. Boom. Show you it from a younger stage. Boom. So, white at first and then in taking time and turn pink, then red, then purple, then black. When it gets to black, that's when you want it. Have a custard apple tree here, but I don't know what happened, why they look like this. So that's why we're here anyway, so we can take care of them. So I forgot to take care of this. I'm gonna get a blower. I forgot to take out some of these apple trees. Sad to say, but yeah, some of the apple trees have to go. Yeah, so as me did I say, I forget rid of some of them. I think this might be a jackfruit tree now. Oh, a blouse and skirt ramp with the thing. Somebody a ramp with the thing, you know. It's a jackfruit tree I could have little. Eh? A rasta cut over here, so you know, rasta cut down one jackfruit tree. Eh? Rasta cut over here, so. But yeah, one apple tree, two, three apple tree. Eh? Then there so. Star fruit I will go in a ground here, so grab it. Some of these plants would buy them, some of them I catch them off of my own, like these where we planted them, I catch them off of my own. The ones that we planted the other day. Yeah man, I buy them. Which they didn't cost that much. I didn't have to break the bank for them. Yeah man, so just help us plant some more fruit trees, because eventually I want to turn this into like a fruit forest, like a fruit haven, where everybody can just come and enjoy fruits, fresh fruits. Where everybody can just come and just enjoy fresh fruits, a property view with just fresh fruits, all different kind of fruits we never see before, all kind of fruits we never try before. Only because I have to go get the list. So on next video I can list the amount of different fruits we have here. And then now I'm supposed to go get the lychee and the lungan and a couple more. And you know, later on when the place clear up, we can plant strawberry. I think I have mulberry already up there. If not, I have to go buy mulberry. So yeah, that's a star fruit in the ground. No, them are gonna come lovely, because as you can see, this is a cow pasture, cow dung all over the place. So feature 2 cow over there. So meow. Cow there. Check me, should I check? Ooh, don't say that. Those aren't the right ones. Yeah. And this one purple sweet sap. That one ripe inside, purple skin, purple, deep purple. The ripe I get, the black I get. So I can't see all the way back down there. But yeah guys, yeah, scaly again, huh? That's just another one. So wasn't an entire day of farming, but a productive day of farming, because we get what we need done. Got some fruit trees in the ground. check on the other fruit tree then. And then me turn out to find one jackfruit tree, which is really good. Really good. So, but I get few drizzles. And we don't have a hut as yet, so I gotta make way here down, go see if we can do some other things, you know? Get some door skins for the car. So we go work on the car interior in a few. So yeah. Another day upon the Fergie Republic, you know? Remember, like, share, subscribe. Yeah man, one car. You seen it?